To find the number of enrollments, I'll use the len function. And running this cell, I can see that there were 1,640 enrollments. To find the number of unique students who enrolled, I'll add the account keys to a set and then look at the length of the set. So first I'll create an empty set called unique enrolled students. Then I'll loop through the enrollments, and I'll add the account key from each enrollment to this set. Finally, I'll look at the length of the set. And it turns out there were 1,302 unique students who enrolled. The reason these two numbers are different is that students can enroll, then cancel, then re-enroll later. Next, I'll check how many entries are in the daily engagement table, and there are a lot more, which makes sense since there should be multiple entries for each student. To find the unique number of students in the daily engagement table, I'll need similar code to before, so I'll copy and paste it. First, I'll need to change the table I'm looping over. Now, I don't technically need to change the name of the set. I could name both sets unique students, for example. But then the second set would overwrite the first set, so when using IPython Notebook, it's often a good idea to give a new name to each new variable so that you'll still have access to the previous variable if you want. So I'll change the set name also. I'll also change the looping variable to make the code more clear. Finally, I'll need to change the account key column name to ACCT. Again, since I copied and pasted some code here, writing a function would have been a good idea. I'll get to that in a later video. The main difficulty in this case would be that this account key has become ACCT in this loop, but it's possible to handle that. And I saw that there were 1,237 unique students in the engagement table. When I first ran this code, I was surprised that these two numbers weren't the same. We'll see in a later video why that happened. And finally, I followed a similar process for the project submissions table and found that there were 3,642 project submissions from 743 unique students.